Look what we have here. Now look, y'all already know that the AOMAIS, is it AOMAIS or AOMAIS? AOMAIS sounds like mayonnaise without the M. Anyways, the AOMAIS, I'm gonna say AOMAIS. Everybody knows that the AOMAIS Go is one of my favorite speakers. But AOMAIS has done it again, man. The AOMAIS Go Mini. I don't even know why, but I'm happy about it. Check this thing out, man. So first, let's just get rid of this box because I'm gonna need some room a little bit later. Let's do a little build walk around. So first of all, this thing is stout. It's got some weight to it, man. It's a solid speaker. It is hard plastic all the way around. It would have been nice to have some of that soft touch plastic around it. Now I like the bottom how it has these bevels right here. That way you can kind of lean it back if you want to. That way it can project up. But on the front and back, you got these speaker grills. This one's black, and then this one is just a gray grill. It's gray plastic, and then you can see the speaker in there, or the bass radiator. But I can't really see it right now, but earlier I saw like 6 speakers in the front, man. It has like one here, one there, and like 2 up top. It was crazy. Anyways, a lot of drivers in this bad boy. Got some embossed branding right there. You got a play, volume up and track forward button. Then you got a volume down and track back button. Then you got a power button and some LEDs right there to tell you how much battery you got. Come around the side of it, and then you got your auxiliary port. Let me open up this flap. It is water resistant. That's why it's got this thick flap right here. This one does not have a mic input like the AOMAIS Go does. It just has the 3.5mm and the micro USB charging port, which it comes with a micro USB charging cable and a 3.5mm cable. That just in case you don't want to go Bluetooth. But it's a Bluetooth speaker, so we won't be needing that. You buy a Bluetooth speaker for sound, so let's just get this thing powered up real quick. Yeah, it's about to go down.
Battery.
You cannot change the color of the light. I don't think you can anyways. I don't think you can cycle through them. It just does its own thing, but you can turn it off. So if you want to turn them off, just press and hold the play button. Oh, that's power, my bad. Oops. Let me turn it back on. So you turn it back on, and then you press.
Battery.
Okay, it'll tell you the battery, and it's connected. And then you press and hold the play button, and then the lights go off. But it's a review, so let's go ahead and turn them back on, and then they come on. Since this thing's already paired up, let's just get into my music right here. Let's just go into this Ryan Little. Let me just scroll. Okay, the volume is synced.
Ryan Little.
Here comes that bass drop. This thing bangs. This thing sounds way too big to be called a mini. I get it, it's smaller than the regular one, but god dog it. Listen to that. This thing puts the big name brands to shame. So when it comes to overall music quality, let's just see how it sounds when I throw some real lyrics in there. We can get a good test of mids and highs. It puts a lot of bigger names to shame. I'm not even gonna name them off, but you know who they are, who are charging like 3, 4, 5 times the amount, and they still don't come out to the sound quality and value that you get here. But speaking of value, these things actually are very inexpensive, so that means you got room in your wallet for 2. That's right, 2 of them. So for the price of less than one of the bigger names, you can get 2 of these bad boys and pair them up, because they do that.
Ryan Little.
That is sick. Oh my God. Oh man, that is sick. Hey, these things sound great. I mean great. And for the value, oh my God, you can't help but get two. You get two different colors if you want to. I ended up getting two of the same ones. Man, these things are awesome. Mega loud, balanced sound, lots of thump. I don't even know what else to say, man. If you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker and you don't want to break the bank, get you one of these bad boys and just call it a day, man. Just call it a day. The AOMAIS Go Mini. I approve of the AOMAIS Go Mini. I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. Don't get it twisted now, but I do like these speakers. Now, before y'all get out of here, y'all go ahead and make sure you tap on that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.